What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post a YouTube video on your LinkedIn profile. When you're on your LinkedIn profile guys and you want to post a video, don't click video from here, because if you click on this, it's going to give you the option to post something from your computer, right? So you don't want to do that option unless you want to put something from your computer on LinkedIn. All you have to do is just simply click on the post option here and you will have the option to type. And all you have to do from here is to go to YouTube and actually get the video link. Now I have a video link, so I'm going to quickly post the video link right here, and as you can see, once I post it, it's going to try to find that video. Now once you post the video, you can choose if you want to just post only the video or you want to type something as well. So you can type whatever. So I'm going to just press enter from the beginning of the URL, and let's say I want to put as well the title. Let's say, for example, I can post that, add the title there, and I can just make the post from there. It's really up to you what you want to write, what you want to type. But once you do that guys, you can also have the option to put emojis, so you can add emojis and so forth. So you can basically click on the emojis and you can post whatever you want. I'm going to add a little emoji there and so forth. Once you're ready to go, you can simply go ahead and click and post, and you now have it post on LinkedIn. And that's it guys. Very easy and very simple how to post a video on LinkedIn.